Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So today we will discuss a problem again from NSE-JS Olympiad from 2018. What it is written in here is there are two charges, two positive charges. They are connected with the strings, right? These strings are massless and they are taken from one planet to another. So from Mercury to Earth and Jupiter, and in this way they are taken to three planets, and we need to find out how this angle is changed, right? How this angle is being changed. So this tick is there because the student who has marked the paper has ticked this. This is not the right answer, or I'm not saying this is not this is the answer, right? We'll find out it. Let's see. Now, when we say take this structure to a planet, right? The planet will actually act a gravity force. So this will be Fg in downward direction. Now there will be an electrostatic force that happens. So electrostatic force will be along the line joining the charges. So this is the electrostatic force that will happen. Secondly, there will be tension in this string that is not allowing the positive charge to go anywhere, neither in downward direction nor in the left hand side. Similar is for this. So this is Fg in downward direction, and this is Fe in the right hand side. So when we'll take a single charge, positive charge, we will see that there is an electrostatic force in the left. In downward direction there is Fg, and there is a tension in this direction, right? Now we will see that this is the angle theta that is given, right? If we take this as another parallel line to this one, we will see that this is an alternate angle, and this is theta, right? Now for these two forces to remain in the place, this bob to remain in this angle, the components of tension must be equivalent. So what I'm saying is, this tension component which is in here like this tension, it is divided into two parts. One is this and other is this. So this tension will be T cos theta, and this will be T sin theta, as the side with the angle is always the takes the cos theta. So now this T cos theta will be equivalent to Fg, and this T sin theta will be equivalent to Fe, right? So if we say T sin theta is equal to Fe, this electrostatic force will be K Q1 Q2 by R square, right? K Q1 Q2 by R square. Now this R, where this R is the this distance between the charges, right? We can place it in forms of L, but right now it is not required, so we are not doing it. Then the Q1 Q2 charges are also identical, so we can write it KQ square upon R square. So T sin theta is equal to KQ square upon R square. Similarly, when we take the other component, so it will be T cos theta is equal to Fg, and Fg, as the gravity force is m into g. So hence we came out with two equations. So let this be equation first and this be equation second, and if we divide both the equations, right? So T sin theta divided by T cos theta will be equal to KQ square divided by R square and divided by mg. We will see T is cancelled by T, so tan theta will be equal to KQ square upon R square into mg. Now let's see. KQ square upon R square m, and I've taken G as different. Why? Let me tell you. It is said that we are taking this setup to different planets, to Mercury, to Earth, to Jupiter, where the G is different. So how this angle, the distance between the angle between these two charges, right, this one will change. So as we see, the G is inversely proportional to theta. This means as the G increases, the theta will decrease, and as G decreases, the theta will going to increase, right? So if we see this, the Mercury has the minimum G. This means Mercury will have the maximum theta angle, and that's why this is our answer, right? So the Mercury will have the maximum G because it is having the minimum maximum theta, because it is having the minimum value of G, and this is what we need to prove in here. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have got the solutions of this, right? We will meet in the next class with our next video. So thank you till now. Till then, bye bye. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो. प्लीज़ कीप कमेंटिंग कि आपको वीडियोस कैसे लग रहे हैं, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो आने तक लर्न करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. बेल आइकन बटन दबाएं और दोस्तों में हल्ला गाएं.